Change brake fluid in a Honda Accord. Brake fluid is a vital part of your Honda Accord's maintenance. Brake fluid lubricates the pistons that constantly move to ensure that the Honda Accord's brakes work properly. Change your Honda Accord's brake fluid routinely along with other maintenance procedures to ensure both your safety and your Honda Accord's continued function. To change your brake fluid in your Honda Accord, follow the steps below. Refer to your Honda Accord's manual. The Honda Accord's manual is in your glove compartment upon purchase of your car. The Honda Accord's manual guides you through various procedures for your Honda Accord's maintenance. Refer to your Honda Accord's manual for any and all procedures concerning your Honda Accord. Locate the brake fluids container. In a Honda Accord, the master cylinder or the brake fluids container is in the engine's rear under the hood. The master cylinder has a cap or cover that you can unscrew to check the brake fluid. Check the Honda Accord's brake fluid. Check your Honda Accord's brake fluid using an electronic brake fluid tester, a refractometer, or a chemical strip specifically used for testing a car's brake fluid. The brake fluid's boiling point and the amount of moisture in the brake fluid can be determined using these tools. If the brake fluid's boiling point is too high, or if there is too much moisture in the brake fluid, you need to change your Honda Accord's brake fluid. Remove the old brake fluid. Before replacing your Honda Accord's brake fluid, you need to get rid of the old brake fluid first. Use a turkey baster or a similar tool to suck out as much old brake fluid as you can from the master cylinder. Replace the old brake fluid with new brake fluid. Fill the master cylinder with Honda brake fluid. 3 until the fluid reaches about 1/4 inch from the top. Make sure you use Honda brake fluid. 3 only, as this is the only recommended brake fluid for Honda 3. Replace the cover. Put the cover of the master cylinder back on but do not secure it yet. You might need to replace more brake fluid after doing the process of letting it seep into the parts of the car where the brake fluid goes. Use the clear hose. Dislodge the bleeder screws cover and attach the clear hose to the farthest wheel's bleeders. The other end of the clear hose should go into a jar to collect old brake fluid. While having someone else inside the car press on the brake pedal slowly, watch the old brake fluid come out of the bleeder screws. When the brake pedal is fully pressed, quickly replace the bleeder screws covers, making sure that no air or moisture comes into the bleeders while the pedal is fully pressed. Repeat this process on all the wheels that have bleeder screws. Using the steps listed above, You can make sure your Honda Accord's brakes function properly every time you use your brakes. Change your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to ensure your safety when you drive your Honda Accord.